Unlocking Kitchen Lingo, Broil on High. Hello, language enthusiasts and kitchen adventurers. Today, we're going to demystify a common cooking phrase you might encounter in English recipes: broil on high. This phrase may sound technical, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your culinary endeavors. Broiling is a cooking method that involves using direct, high heat from above to cook food. When a recipe instructs you to broil on high, it means to set your oven's broiler to its highest temperature setting. This technique is perfect for quickly cooking, browning, or caramelizing the surface of your dishes to perfection. Not all ovens are the same, but most have a broil setting, often indicated by a symbol depicting a few straight lines towards the top of a square. When you select this setting, the top element in your oven will heat up. On high refers to the temperature. It tells you to use the broiler at its maximum capacity to achieve a specific char or crust. You'll want to broil on high when a recipe calls for a quick cook on the top layer without cooking through, like for garlic bread, seared steaks, or melted cheese toppings. It's a finisher, a final touch to give your dish a delectable texture and appearance. Broiling can be intense, and it's easy to go from perfectly caramelized to burnt if you're not careful. Here are some tips. Always preheat the broiler for about 5 minutes. Use a broiler pan that can withstand high temperatures. Keep a close eye on your food, as it can cook very quickly. Adjust the rack position if your food is cooking too fast or too slow. There you have it. Broil on high is less of a culinary enigma and more of a simple instruction to bring the best out of your dishes with a quick, intense heat from above. Try it out next time you're in the kitchen, and impress yourself with the results. Happy cooking, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. Until next time, keep on learning and experimenting.